Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to be taking you on a fall tour of my home. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that Christmas is definitely my strong point of the year, but I do like to do a little bit of fall just to get us all into the season. So, I know this is not as elaborate as my Christmas displays are, but I hope you guys still enjoy this, and I just kind of wanted to show you what I've done in my home this year. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. All right, let's start the tour. Okay, so let's start on this side of the entryway. As you can see, I just hung a garland across my mirror there. And then down below here, on this side, I have a steeple lantern. And these are cool because you can change out the insides of them. The top lifts off so you can like fill it with whatever. I have a little pineapple and a crow. I have my friend Dan's book here that he wrote on his house. And I just have a pumpkin, some leaves, and this picture that I got at Walmart. On the other side here, on this shelf, I have one of my tin lights. I have a witch's hat. I love these buntings. And this is where my books are right now. They're usually in my TV cabinet, but I thought they kind of looked cute there. I have a couple little figurines from, I think they were from Michael's, and then I have some Wolford lamps. Now, here's why I love Wolford lamps. The flame is contained inside of that glass cylinder, so it makes it a little bit safer to put around something like books. Okay, walking in this way, I have a little grouping on the top of the TV cabinet. Again, more of that pumpkin garland. I got that at Walmart a few years ago. Then down here on the TV cabinet part, this is usually where my books are. I did have a couple extras, so I use them as risers. These little pumpkin figurines, the one with the cat and the pumpkin man, those were from Hobby Lobby, as well as the crow. The pumpkin was from Big Lots, oh my god, probably 10 years ago. I say that in every video. It was probably longer than that. Over here, I didn't really do a lot for fall. I had this throw right here. This was on the back of my couch, so I just added a pillow. I had the star, I got the sunflower. I thought that was kind of cool. I actually still have the price tag on it. Should probably cut that off. Then my corner cabinet over here, more little trinkets. And this area, I love this so much. It's so balanced. I have a couple more Wolford candles with a pineapple that I actually dried. That was a real pineapple. And again, more little fall accents. So again, like I said, I don't do a whole lot for fall because Christmas is like my main time of the year. But it's enough to get us all into the spirit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found some inspiration. And I will see you in the next one.